What's up guys, today we have the Samsung Galaxy A04e and the screen is broken. We are going to replace it. Alright, let's start. Remove the SIM card tray. After that, we can detach the frame from the housing. In this model of the phone, we don't have flex cable fingerprint. So we can remove the back without using any tools, maybe some detaching tools. Could be plastic tools, will be better. So we don't have to worry about anything in the back. Just remove it and that will be it. I'm always being cautious for not damage anything while we are going to replace it. We can remove all the screws. I have speed this up. We have to take out the top shield because we are going to unplug the battery flex cable and the screen and the mainboard flex cable. The LCD comes with the flex cables connected from the subboard to the mainboard. So we will not be worried about any flex cable could be damaged during the operation. Expect the battery flex cable. Right, remove the bottom screw. This is the loudspeaker shield. We have to remove it to remove the flex cable from the subboard. We have one flex cable. Alright, you can unplug it. After that, we will flip the board and we will proceed to remove the screen. Use any suction cup to start removing the screen. Some screen won't be easy to be removed, so you may have to use a heating gun or the blowing gun, whatever it's called. You can use it to make the adhesive soft. After that, you will be able to pull the screen out. The screen is damaged or it's not full damaged, so I maybe need this LCD to be as replacement or testing. As testing parts, I keep off for some devices that may be damaged caused by water, so we can use the screen to be a test for me. In our business, every part have damaged or not being full damaged, it's important for us to be keep. We maybe use some of the connectors from the old screen. Sometimes connectors could be broken, so we can replace it. Alright, the screen is off. We have too much glue. In every LCD replacement, we have to clean the frame very clear, and this is very important. So after we put the screen in or assemble the screen in, everything should be clear. Any tiny piece of glass could broke the LCD when you push it in down. So if you remove the tiny piece of the dust, the glue, the glass, everything, so the LCD when you put it back, it will be straight with the frame. We don't need a high top area. We need it to be straight, flex with the frame, and this is very important. The better you clean, the better you will have a result after you assemble the LCD. We always try to do our best to clean all the dust or the adhesive or the glass, and everything is in there. Using also alcohol with the brush to clean all the thing that could be in there. After that, we are going to use our glue. It's a black glue and it's called CP0002, and this is waterproof and good for rubber also, and for screen itself. We can just make a line all over the frame. You have to be careful from the sensor and the camera. This two area you should be worried about, and also the ear speaker hole. So you have three things at the top, nothing else: the camera, the sensor, and the ear speaker. You have to be careful about them, not to block this area. If you block this area, you will have some problems. So you have to be careful. All the lines should be just a line, no much, nothing in the middle, nothing at the top, nothing in the bottom. Just all over the frame should be enough, as how the company makes their phones. Nothing in the middle. I have seen some devices comes to me removing the old screens and bought the new one. Unfortunately, I have seen too much adhesive in the middle, and this is very, very, very stupid. Why you have to put in the middle? You can just look and think wise how the company make their devices. They just put adhesive all over the frame and nothing less, nothing more. You have to do the same. So our screen is assembled in. We have now to plug the main board, it's the subboard flex cable. Make sure everything is in place, because now we are going to assemble and test. Also, I have to mention that you can test your LCD before fully assemble. You maybe stop putting the glue. You can put the screen, assemble, and test it. After that, if you think everything is good, you can put the glue and assemble the device. Sometimes I'm doing that, or I did that for all my devices. I test the LCD, because if the LCD is broken, is damaged, not touching well, it's a ghost touching, these are problems if we install the screen and there's glue on it. So the company will refuse to replace it. So this is very important for you. You can test all the screens you replace by testing them first, and then you assemble it second. Now we can put the loudspeaker on position and screw all the screws down. Because everything is perfect, we can assemble. I'm always prefer to put all the screws back. Some customer or some repair shop, they remove some screws. I don't know why. This phone has been manufactured to have 10 screws. Why you put 5 screws? This 10 is important to tie something in place. You have vibration, you have sensor, you have the power button. It's on now on the left side of the phone. It's under the board. It's where is the camera? It's down of the camera. So there should be screw there to tight the main board to touch the flex cable of the power button. If there is no connection, the power button will not work. So it's important to put all the screws. This is very important. And also we have to mention that the loudspeaker, if there is no screws on the loudspeaker could vibrate and making noise. It should be tight on place with the screws so we can't hear any noises. I mentioned these because these has happened before in the last 8 years. Now we have this wire connection. You have to put it there. After last piece, you have just to put all the screws down, and then we can assemble and end our job. I hope everything now is clear for you. Everything has been mentioned in the video. all clear, and that's it. I think we have one screw, a nut in place at the bottom. Maybe I forget it because I mentioned it. I should put it down in there. I can't left it because there will be one screw left in my bench, and okay, it's now in the down at the loudspeaker. You see? Alright, so our job has been done. We have put the back. You can put the SIM card tray, and our job has been done. If you have any questions, you can just write it down in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. This is very important for us. We will thank you, and we will do something else in the next video. Peace.